You may have just gotten your new Grantstone boots in the mail, really excited to take care of them. Out of the box, you're probably not going to need to do anything, but down the road, you might want to consider conditioning your leather boots. And you can do that with product that we make called Tanner's Blend. This is a lanolin-based product that was developed by the 8th generation leather tanner, Chris Kolblinger. He's currently the tanner at Horween Leather. It's a really special product that pairs very well with any Horween leather, but especially the Chrome Excel. So here I have a black Chrome Excel diesel boot from Grantstone. What I like to do for just sort of routine conditioning, maybe once a month, you'd like to start off by brushing the leather. You just want to remove some of the surface dust, and then you'll apply a little bit of conditioner to the surface of the grain. I like to use a soft cloth, but you can also just use your finger and then buff it back out again with that horsehair brush. So let me demonstrate very quickly sort of a expedited version of how to condition your leather boots. So if you're going to do this the real way, you're probably going to remove all the laces, but just give it a quick brushing with a horsehair brush if you have one. I highly recommend getting a horsehair brush. If you don't have one, you can cut apart an old t-shirt and just sort of remove some of that surface dust. It shouldn't take very long. After that, usually the amount that I like to prescribe from the Tanner's Blend is about the size of a pea. You can always add more conditioner to your boots, but you want to start off small and add more from there. So roughly the size of a pea, like that. And I'll certainly need more than that for this. And sort of spread it around very evenly. A quick side note here is we're doing this on black, which won't show any color transformation at all. But this conditioner is really good because it does not darken the leather at all. So unless it's like a really, really light veg tan, you might want to just try it in a less noticeable spot. I usually like to do the less noticeable spots up here on the inside quarter of the pattern. So just try it out there if you're worried at all about changing color. But from my experience, the Tanner's Blend does not change the color. And then for the luster, this doesn't really impart much luster at all. So if you're wanting to sort of stay a little bit mellow and just keep the luster sort of natural looking as opposed to bright and shiny, this is a good product for that as well. But really what you'll notice it does is it really just breathes the life back into the leather, and it has a little bit of cleaning properties as well. But again, there's no turpentine in here, no specific cleaners, just that natural lanolin is doing a lot of the work for you. So just applying it very lightly over everything. You'll also notice, where I scuff up my heels, it does have a little bit of fill to it, meaning that it will fill in some of those scratches, but it's not as much fill as like a harder wax product. The lanolin is a very soft wax. So just putting a little bit on there, making sure it's a little bit even. You can see I didn't put a ton on. If it feels really dry to the touch, you might want to consider adding a little bit more, but right now I'm feeling the leather and it feels really well nourished. At this point, you might want to let it sit for a couple minutes. Sometimes I'm in a rush, so I like to just go for it. Take again your soft cloth, the old t-shirt, and you can buff it, or you can take your horsehair brush and give it a quick brushing. And I've noticed brushing for any polish or conditioner, so it just evens everything out. It will also increase the luster a bit as you activate the waxes that are tanned into this Chrome Excel leather or whatever leather you're using. So you'll notice it has that nice mild sheen to it now. It just looks a little bit more cleaned up and presentable compared to how we were, where it's like a little dusty looking, maybe a little gray. And this is what I notice on all colors of leathers with the Tanner's Blend, is it sort of breathes the life back into it, just gives it a little bit more glow and liveliness. In addition to that, really important here, you're going to want to condition your leather from time to time. If it feels dry, it feels chapped, think of like dry skin. If you're using soaps on your skin, you're going to pull out all the oils in your skin, and it's going to make maybe your hand get a little ashy, maybe a little bit dried out. And that's the reason you might want to use a lotion on your hand. It's the same idea for leather, because leather is skin. That's the easiest way to think about maintaining and caring for your stuff. By conditioning the leather when needed, it will increase the longevity of all your nice leather goods. For me, I use this very infrequently, maybe every 6 months, because a lot of the leathers I use are really well tanned. There's a ton of nourishing oils in there already, so you're probably not going to want to do anything unless it's needed. The other really interesting thing that I like to do that not a lot of people do is I'll actually wash my leather when needed with very mild diluted dish soap. And what's great about doing that is you're able to control the detergent or the soap yourself, meaning that you might not want to use too much. Very mild is probably generally the way to go. But with that, you're going to, again, want to nourish the leather with a conditioner. I like the Tanner's Blend, and that's how you put the nourishing oils back in there. So if you want something that's gonna last, you wanna clean it, maintain it, use a little bit of conditioner, mild brushing, it doesn't take long, and the result is certainly great. I've had these boots for years. In fact, I think it's been about 3 years, and I think they're still looking great. So if you have any questions about Tanner's Blend, you can leave it in the comments. There's more of this product coming out in the world right now. I believe that Grantstone is including a bottle for free of the Tanner's Blend conditioner in all of their shipments for footwear where appropriate. So they're not sending it with the suede stuff, I believe, but you might want to give it a shot later down the road. You're not going to want to do it right out of the box, but in a couple months, try this guy out. I think you'll love it.